Imagine gliding silently through city streets, cutting through traffic like a breeze, and parking almost anywhere, all while never needing a drop of gasoline. That's not a dream anymore. It's 2026, and the electric tricycle revolution is here, and it's flipping the script on how we think about transportation. If you thought e-bikes were cool, just wait till you see what these new-gen electric trikes can do. Sleek, futuristic, and totally functional, today's electric tricycles aren't just for delivery workers or seniors anymore. They're the new face of urban commuting, road tripping, and eco-living. Picture this: 3 wheels, a powerful electric motor, a weather-protected cabin, and cargo space that rivals some compact cars. This isn't some experimental prototype, it's happening now. So, what's making them blow up in popularity? First, let's talk stability. Unlike two-wheelers, tricycles offer a smooth, balanced ride. Whether you're weaving through traffic or cruising up hills, they're designed to stay grounded, literally. And in 2026, these aren't the clunky models from the past. Think smart dashboards, regenerative braking, solar panel roofs, and even voice control in some high-end models. And speed? Oh yes, they're fast. Most models can hit 25 to 35 miles per hour easily, perfect for city commutes. But what really makes them shine is the insane range. With cutting-edge battery packs, many tricycles now go up to 70 or even 100 miles on a single charge. That's your entire week of commuting, handled, with zero emissions and almost no running costs. Maintenance? Practically nothing. No oil changes, no complex engine parts, and tires that last for years. Charging can be done from a standard home outlet, or even on the go with charging stations popping up in more cities than ever. Now here's where it gets even more interesting: customization. People are turning these electric trikes into mobile cafes, street food trucks, camper homes, mobile workstations, even tiny retail shops. One creator turned his trike into a solar-powered mini studio, complete with AC, fold-out desk, and Wi-Fi. Imagine rolling your whole lifestyle on 3 wheels. That's the future we're entering: small, smart, and sustainable. Affordability is the final cherry on top. With rising fuel prices and car costs shooting through the roof, electric tricycles are becoming the best rent-free, debt-free alternative for thousands. You can own one for a fraction of what a car costs, with barely any monthly expenses. And in many countries, incentives and tax credits make them even more accessible. So whether you're a city commuter tired of sitting in traffic, a student looking for a budget-friendly ride, a freelancer who wants a mobile workspace, or even someone dreaming of off-grid living, the electric tricycle of 2026 is calling. This isn't just transportation anymore. It's freedom. It's lifestyle. It's a quiet revolution rolling silently down every street. Like and subscribe.